Hey friends, this is Miss Withers with Unit 8, Week 3, Day 3 word work, and we are continuing our work on variant vowel spellings. So our learning target for today is read, spell, and sort words with variant vowels oo, u, and ul. Sounds kind of silly when I'm saying it, but let's review. Variant vowels, the spellings o, ew, and ue all have the oo sound, as in tooth, new, and true. The spelling oo can also stand for the sound, as in book, and the spelling patterns old and ul also contain that sound, as in book. So we are working with the oo and the sound. Like I said, pretty silly. But these spellings must stay in the same syllable in a longer word. So we have some examples, and let's take a look. How many syllables does this word have, and what is the variant vowel spelling in this word? Well, let's count it out. Bathroom, bathroom. Well, I count 2 syllables, and I see the bathroom, ooh. I see the oo, and it's making the oo sound. Football, football, football. Once again, I'm counting 2 syllables, and what is the variant vowel spelling in this word? Once again, I see that double O, but it doesn't make the oo sound, it makes the sound. Football, So it's still the oo, but it makes the sound. Through. How many syllables? Through. Through. I count 1 syllable. And what's the variant vowel? Well, it's either going to make the oo or the sound. Let me close my eyes and say the word. Through, through, ooh. It sounds like the oo sound, and it's spelled with an EW. That makes sense. We talked about that on our first slide. 2 more examples. Shouldn't, 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 shouldn't. 2 syllables. And what's the variant vowel spelling? Yes, the O-U-L-D makes that sound. And finally, fuller, fuller, fuller. How many syllables does this have? 2 syllables. And the variant vowel spelling I see in this word is my U-L-L, So I'm going to put U-L-L. Now, for your work, you're going to highlight the variant vowel spelling in each word and sort the words after highlighting. Keep in mind that these are different sounds. O-O and O-O can sound different. So in bathroom, ooh, it's the ooh sound, like in tooth. In football, it's the sound, as in good, football. And then EW, OULD, and ULL. So sort those, make sure you're highlighting, and then submit. Good luck.